Hey everyone, just want to create a super quick demo going over the new submit data section that has been added to my profile in Dakota Marketplace. So for those of you who don't know how to get to my profile, just come to the top right hand side, click on your username, click my profile. From there, on the left hand side, you scroll down right under Dakota Joe, you will see a new tab called Submit Data. Here, you are able to submit firm data or submit performance data. So if you are in your account and you say that the AUM is a little bit inaccurate, you wanted to add a new contact with new contact information, you wanted to update the investment criteria or firm details, you're able to do that here. If you wanted to submit new performance data or you want to update old performance data, you're able to submit that there as well. So if we want to take a look, you click this submit firm data URL right here. You will be opened up to a new web page totally for submitting firm data. This is a dedicated web page where firms can submit updates to their marketplace profile, including company information, investment criteria, contact information, and portfolio details. One thing to note, there's only a few things that are required, so we know exactly what firm and location we're talking about. So that would be firm name, investment focus, headquarters location, and your website. From there, feel free to update whatever information that you seem fit. And after that, it'll be submitted to our data team for a quality check and then eventually uploaded to Dakota Marketplace. If we go back to the user profile to check out the submit performance, we click the same URL here and pretty straightforward: company name, contact email, any extra details you want included, and then a location to add all of your files of the performance data. Same thing, once you submit it, it will go to our data team for a quality check, and we will, before you know it, get it into Dakota Marketplace. Now with that being said, there's one more thing and one more way to upload and customize your data and profile, and that would be going under the performance and benchmarking tab. Under each sub-tab here, whether it's Dakota Benchmarks, Evergreen Fund Benchmarking, Hedge Fund, or Private Fund, you're able to upload performance and get to that web page straight from here. So on the top right hand side, you will see the new submit performance button. You will see it on all of these sub tabs here. If we go into all of the performance benchmarks, you'll see it on the top right here as well. And when you click into that, you will be landed on the submit performance web page. Awesome. Hope this helps. Hope this creates a faster, more of a self-service experience for you all. And we just thank you for continuing to improve the quality and coverage of Dakota Marketplace. Thanks.